Problem solving is vital to success, but the right approach makes all the difference. Let's explore the key difference between structured and flexible problem solving. Structured problem solving refers to a methodical, step-by-step approach designed to address issues in a systematic way. And some examples of known methods are PDCA, DMAIC, and 8D, resulting to benefits like systematic approach, root cause elimination, and data-driven decisions. Flexible problem solving is an adaptive approach that allows for improvisation, creativity, and rapid decision-making. Unlike structured methods, flexible problem solving does not adhere to a rigid set of steps. It is solved by methods like rapid prototyping, agile product and process and creation, and Scrum, providing benefits like speed and agility, innovation and adaptability. The key characteristics of structured problem solving are providing consistency, detailed records of documentation, minimizing risks by risk mitigation, and ensuring thoroughness that all aspects of problem solving are examined. Whereas flexible problem solving allows adaptability, facilitates speed, encourages creativity, and promotes cross-functional teamwork and collaboration. Here's a comparison table for different aspects of structured and flexible problem solving. To learn more about problem solving, visit orcaline.com and explore our detailed presentation today.